Primetime News this evening, thieves preying on new housing development. We speak with a homeowner who's lost everything, including her front door. Renewed calls for the state to restore the home of national hero Marcus Garvey. And wife of slain pastor speaks.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, a popular entertainment venue in Negril has expanded its operations. About 140 jobs will be created. I'll give you the details later in the business day.
Thanks, Chizzy. And Renata Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in the big show, Primetime Sports.
Well, Archie, I'm tempted to say judge not, but I won't. Well, the case involving Beat Soccer Jamaica and the Jamaica Football Federation has been postponed until December. But why? We will tell you all about it in Primetime Sports Monday.
All right, thank you so much, Renardo. And later on in the newscast, we will have the weather report and forecast. But also coming up, sports commentary, E-Prime, and as I said, the weather report and forecast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what's your reaction to national hero Marcus Garvey being pardoned by U.S. President Joe Biden? Again, what's your reaction to national hero Marcus Garvey being pardoned by U.S. President Joe Biden?
Now you can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us in News in Detail right after the break.